Hello everyone and welcome to technical-santosh-ji. In this video we are going to learn what AWS is, Amazon Web Services. If you are new to cloud computing or want to become an AWS solution architect, this is the right place to start. Let's begin. So AWS stands for Amazon Web Services and it is cloud computing platform created by Amazon. Using AWS, you can access different IT services over the internet. For example, EC2, virtual servers, S3 means file storage, RDS like database, IAM for user access and security, and many more services. You don't need to buy or manage any physical servers. Everything is available online. You just pay what you use. So, what is cloud computing? Let's understand it. Imagine you need electricity. If you need electricity, you don't buy a generator, right? You just use electricity from the power company and pay monthly, right? In the same way, cloud computing means you use servers, storage, and tools over the internet, and you only pay for the time and resources you use. AWS is most popular cloud provider in the world. Big companies like Netflix, NASA, Zomato, and Airbnb use AWS to run their website and apps. Most of the companies are using the AWS services or cloud services. So now talk about region and availability zones. So as you can see here, AWS has data center all over the world. They are grouped into regions and availability zones, right? So a region is a big location like Mumbai, London, or California. This setup makes AWS very fast, reliable, and safe. Now you should know why learn AWS. Okay, it is the most in-demand cloud skills. It helps you get high-paying jobs. You can work from anywhere. You can also become AWS certified and boost your resume. With the AWS certification, your resume will boost, and the most of the companies will contact you to provide a best job. So if you want to grow in your IT career, learning AWS is a smart choice. So friends, today you learn what is AWS, what is cloud computing, and how AWS works using regions and availability zones. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Technical Santosh-ji.